Time to wrap it up. Focus. Cue sound going live in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Bentayga V8. The newest addition to the range, Bentayga V8, is everything Bentayga was designed to be, balancing exquisite refinement with astonishing performance. Bold contemporary styling cues and unparalleled levels of craftsmanship provide a sleek, sporting look, while the new cutting-edge V8 engine delivers immense power and instant acceleration. This agile SUV is a pleasure to drive both in the city and on the open road, accompanied by an immensely satisfying Bentley V8 sound. Performance measures: engine capacity, turbocharged V8 engine, maximum power 542 bhp, 550 PS, 404 kilowatts at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Max torque 568 pound-feet, 770 newton-meters at 1,960 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. Fuel type: petrol. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour 4.4 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour 4.5 seconds. Max speed: 180 miles per hour 290 kilometers per hour. Weights and volumes: curb weight 5,264 pounds, 2,388 kilograms. 4 seats: 5,280 pounds, 2,395 kilograms. 5 seats: 5,352 pounds, 2,428 kilograms. 7 seats. Gross vehicle weight: 7,165 pounds, 3,250 kilograms. Boot volume: 431 liters, 15.2 cubic feet. 4 seats: 484 liters, 17.1 cubic feet. 5 seats: 1774 liters, 62.6 cubic feet. 5 seats: seats folded, 215 liters, 7.6 cubic feet. 7 seats. Fuel tank capacity: 18.7 gallons, 22.5 US gallons, 85 liters. A world of color. The new Bentayga V8 is available with 7 standard paint colors and 5 standard hide colors. To make your car truly bespoke, you also have the option to choose from an extended range of paint colors with 12 duotone options and 15 hide colors, including the new rich shade of red cricket ball. A stunning exterior. Bentayga V8 shares the same sleek lines as the other models in the Bentayga range, but adds some distinctive features to create an edgier exterior that matches the car's dynamic feel. A black and chrome radiator matrix grille adds extra presence at the front, while the rear is enhanced by 2 twin quad tailpipes with a selection of large striking wheels completing an imposing look. For those seeking to maximize the dramatic effect still further, the black specification replaces all the exterior brightware with black painted trim and adds a number of contemporary carbon fiber elements. A luxurious cabin. The handcrafted cabin of the new Bentayga V8 is the ideal setting for the exhilarating journey ahead. The straight fluted seats are as comfortable as they are elegant, with the sable leather heights available in a choice of 5 different color splits as standard. The upper cabin is trimmed in Eliade, a soft and tactile fabric available in 5 colors. And the contemporary sophistication of dark fiddleback eucalyptus veneer, Bentley treadplates and foot pedals in the classic B design as standard provide the perfect finishing touch. An advanced V8 engine. The innovative new Bentley V8 engine has been calibrated to suit this exceptionally capable SUV. Powerful and efficient with seamless power delivery, it provides an effortlessly engaging drive both on and off the road. It delivers an impressive 542 bhp, 550 PS of power that can take it to a top speed of 180 miles per hour, 290 kilometers per hour, accompanied by a potent V8 engine sound that reflects the car's phenomenal capabilities. Agile handling. The V8 engine achieves its maximum torque of 770 Newton-meters, 568 pound-feet at 1,960 revolutions per minute, and maintains this right through to 4,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring rapid acceleration at any engine speed. This allows you to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds, contributing to the car's agile, sporty driving experience. Bentayga V8 is brilliantly responsive in the urban environment and truly thrilling on the open road. Technology. Enhanced efficiency. Responsiveness and efficiency are both assisted by two twin swirl turbochargers located inside the V8 of the engine. Further efficiency gains are provided by variable displacement, where 4 of the 8 cylinders are seamlessly shut down when not required, and start-stop technology activated at near-to-stop speeds. The result is a fuel-efficient SUV with CO2 emissions of just 260 grams per kilometer and a generous range of 746 kilometers. The perfect additions. A selection of specifications are available as cost options, allowing you to add a suite of extra features to your car. The city specification is designed to enhance the urban driving experience with features including park assist, traffic sign recognition, pedestrian warning, city safeguard and reversing traffic warning, as well as a top view camera. Dimensions. Overall length 202.3 in 5,140 millimeters. Width across mirrors 87.6 in 2,224 millimeters. Width with folded mirrors 78.7 in 1,998 in millimeters. Overall height 68.6 in 1,742 millimeters. Normal 69.4 in 1,762 millimeters. HN1 70.0 in 1,777 millimeters. HN2 wheelbase 117.9 in 2,995 millimeters. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with our channel and follow our progress in science and technology. A truly wonderful resource for all students, experts, and enthusiasts with a passion for the developing world.